Hello guys, welcome back for another video. Today's video is super exciting because it's my apartment tour. I am so excited to be showing you guys around this amazing place that me and Alex picked out for ourselves. We are definitely going to be here for a while. We absolutely adore it. There are the most beautiful ceilings, the most beautiful windows. There's a lot of natural light. And I'm really excited for you guys to see around, and I hope to show you guys more of my life in this way, my home and more vlogs and just anything that has to do with my life outside of self-care and hygiene. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Hit that red button for my red outfit. Hello. And also I wanted to say thank you so much for 500K. Wow, 500,000 of you guys want to be subscribed to me. Little old me, thank you so much. It wouldn't be possible for me to have all of this if it weren't for you, so I wanted to say thank you. And make sure you guys stay tuned for a giveaway and follow me on Instagram if you have one, because I will be letting you guys know on there all of the deets. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make sure to let me know down below what you guys think, and let's just get into the home tour. Come on in. Okay, so this is the foyer. I'm going to show you guys around, and okay. Oh look, there's my baby girl. Sweet, come say hi. Oh, hi Steele, come here. You guys gonna be here for the apartment tour? Say hello. Okay, so this is the entryway. It's very beautiful in here. It's nice and long. I'm going to redecorate this area. Just so you guys know, everything in here for the most part will be redone. This is just my furniture from my old place, and I really wanted to use it for now. So this is my entryway table. We're gonna put like a big mirror on the wall and, you know, a lot of decor and all that good stuff. This is my laundry room right here, and I'm not going to open it up because it's a mess in there. Let's kind of go over here really quick. So this is the coat closet. It's a lot larger than my last one. By the way, I didn't clean for you guys. That is all of my boyfriend's hats. He's a mess. And all of our coats, also a mess, and all of our shoes, also a mess. But yeah, no big deal. You know, we're messy people. We like to live in our house, you know, we don't clean that often. And you're gonna kind of make like this quick little left, is it a left? Yeah, a left into the main part of the house. Okay, so this room right here is my favorite room in the entire house. It's gonna be where I get all my thoughts, my ideas. I'm just gonna manifest everything in here because it's the most inspiring room ever. Let me show you guys why I picked this apartment. So this is my absolute favorite room in the house. I'm gonna show you guys in a second, but I have the blinds closed because it is so difficult to film with our backs turned to the light because it's the brightest room in the world. But I wanted to show you guys something really cool. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already have seen this. We have this awesome little keypad right here that opens up our blinds. So I'm going to do that right now. It's gonna get really bright in here. So this is the great room. As you guys can see, there are my 500K balloons. Pan up to there. Yes, 500K balloons. They are all just very much crumpled up there. But I wanted to show you guys what is going on in here because this is my favorite room in the entire house. Come on over. This right here is my couch, and I will be getting a brand new couch very soon. It's going to be an L-shaped couch, and I'm gonna get a new coffee table that's a little bit smaller. And then the credenza, I have no idea what I'm doing with this yet, but I'm also going to be getting a frame TV, which is essentially the TV that has art. Yeah, the best. This is something that I didn't have in my last place, and it was counter, or you can call it bar stool situation. I only had a kitchen table. My kitchen in the last place was like really oddly shaped. So this has been so freaking nice for me because I get to have my bar stool fantasy where I can just sit, hang out, or even my boyfriend likes to sit here while I cook dinner and he gets to like be a part of it, you know what I mean? I actually purchased these bar stools recently, so it's my first purchase for this new home. They are the most gorgeous stools. They match everything perfectly, and they're just like tan, but also stone and also gray. They're not too white, which I love. So you can show the stools. This right here is my mirror that I actually had in my last place. It was in my office, so I'm going to actually get it mounted because the ceilings are 11 feet. You can't probably tell, maybe you can. Actually, they look kind of high in the video. They are so high, and I just want the mirror up high, okay? I'm gonna still take outfit pics in it, but I want the mirror to just be mounted because the dogs keep laying against it, so we gotta get that covered. Let's come over here really quick. I'm gonna show you guys my kitchen table set. This is actually from my last place. A lot of you guys have been asking me where it's from. Everything in this particular setting is from West Elm. These are the Lennox chairs, and this is the pedestal dining table. I'm obsessed. This is my favorite table ever, but I'm going to tell you guys a little secret. Round does not fit right here. It just doesn't fit, so we're gonna do a long, skinny, rectangular table. So I'm really sad to see this table go. I'm probably going to keep it and put it like in storage, but yeah, it just doesn't fit the area. It's just too cramped. So I want to do like a long dining room table for all my friends to come visit. Yay! This kitchen is the kitchen of my dreams. I didn't realize it in my last place because I honestly was so in love with that apartment. It was my very first place and I didn't complain. But I will say this kitchen is 1,000 times better because I can actually see when I'm cooking. The lighting in this kitchen is phenomenal. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's lights underneath the cabinet. So late at night when I want to whip up something to eat, I can turn those lights on and the kitchen is like the brightest thing ever. We also have amazing lighting throughout this entire apartment, which is great. I love my fridge. It's a little, you know, fingerprintish, and my oven, my stove, my microwave, my dishwasher, all the boring stuff, who cares? Come on over here, I'm gonna show you guys the liquor. This is my prized possession right here. I have all of my favorite tequilas. None of them have been opened because I'm too stingy and I hate to open up good quality tequila, but we're gonna whip one open for this new place. So yeah, which one do you wanna open? Which one would be your first pick? Wanna do this one?
I actually was about to say that.
This one?
Yeah.
Or the Terramana?
I do love Terramana.
Yeah, we might do that. And also, let me tell you guys this. These cabinets here are so freaking high. Like, we actually have to order a stool to use in this house because everything is so tall. And I'm not even short. I'm 5'6", and everything is too tall. So I have to get a stool immediately from Amazon. All right, let's go. So this is actually a closet where I store all of my cleaning supplies. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek inside. It's a mess, like everything else in my house, okay? Just leave it to me to be messy. And then also, our bathrooms in this place are stunning. I did not have all of this beautiful counter space and amazing storage. I have so much storage in this place. And the actual bathroom shower is beautiful. This is a tub. So this is gonna be where I take all of my baths. Yes, I am going to be taking lots of baths in here. So this right here is going to be my office. Right now, it's a pigsty. It's a mess. It looks crazy, but we are going to be renovating this entire place. The windows are massive. The space is perfect for me to get any video done that I need to get done, which is amazing. The ceilings are also 11 feet. They're 11 feet throughout the entire apartment. And the closet, it's also a mess. It's so big. That's all you get to see. Okay, so this is actually another closet, which, like I said before, there are so many closets in this apartment. This has messy stuff in it. Yeah, we're gonna just leave it there. But let me show you guys the bedroom. So this is our bedroom. Everything that I had furniture-wise matches the walls. Again, so I'm going to be ending up redoing this entire room, but in due time. I'm not going to spend a lot of money at once because furnishing an apartment, furnishing a home takes time and you don't want to rush your furniture buying. But let me just show you guys around. So I actually put my cabinet in here, which is new. I actually had it in my office before, but now I wanted it in my bedroom because it just fits in here better and I didn't want to have too much things going on in the office right away. We also just have our bed and our night tables. They're all the same from before, but my favorite part of this bedroom is the fact that there is a Jack and Jill. Is it a Jack and Jill sink? This is a double sink. It's not a Jack and Jill sink.
Jack and Jill bathroom is like when there's two bedrooms connected to it.
When we picked this apartment, we actually did not see it prior to moving in. I know it sounds crazy. We never saw this apartment, but we knew what we wanted and we trusted in God that we would get the right place. So they told us that they were gonna have California closets, which was so exciting for me because my closet prior was fantastic, but it wasn't fantastic at the same time because it just was disorganized. I love this closet. It's a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but I still love it. And now that all my stuff is in it, it fits perfectly. So come on into the closet. Can they fit? Come look. So we have my closet. This is actually me and Alex's closet. His stuff is behind the door. It's weird. You can't really come in. Actually, yeah, let me show them. Okay, so you come around the corner and there's all Bay's clothes. His clothes fit perfectly fine. There's mine, there's mine. There's like my designer stuff. My favorite parts of the entire apartment is this bathroom. I don't know why, but it's been my sanctuary. We have a double sink. I actually put my pink pampas grass in here because I love it. And yes, it's real, it's from Etsy. And then I have a glass shower, which is kind of new for me. I'm obsessed with this shower. Can they kind of see in there or no? Yeah. It looks really nice. I love it so much, guys. It's like my favorite thing. And again, what's really great about this apartment is all the storage space. There are so many linen closets, so many regular closets. Ow. And I'm just obsessed with this storage situation because I have a lot of stuff and I have places that I need to put it. And like there's all like these little drawers in the sink area and underneath. It's just amazing. So I spend a lot of time in here. I'm excited to show you guys like my routines that I do in my bathroom because I've been having like the best time taking showers and doing my night routine in here. Okay guys, I had so much fun showing you guys the place. I feel like that went by really fast. Did it go by fast? I feel like it did. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the place. Make sure you stay tuned for vlogs and anything that has to do with home content because I will be filming it on here because I'm obsessed with this place. It makes me so happy. And yeah, I'm gonna be here for a while, babes. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe so you guys can never miss content from me and turn on the bell notification and follow me on Instagram. All right, I love you guys so much and I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Mwah. Bye guys.